Now this one's outside the senior home. Oh, this is cute. Did they leave the car key in there? It's an old Mustang. Oh, see, that's the cover, the one I'm talking about. That little thing on the back there. That's what I have. That's worth at least $700 brand new. Oh look, the dog went away. That's okay, I still got time before 2:15. Can you drive a car? Can you drive the car? Oh, this is too cute. Oh, somebody definitely can pin this, right? Can I buy this car? Do you need water? You look thirsty. I think this is illegal parking here. Oh, pay parking enforced. Isn't that fun, eh?